In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a video within 5 minutes and it's ready for publishing to YouTube with a software called Ecamm Live for Mac. Hello, my name is Fredrik and I'm a rapid video marketer. That means that I like to create videos fast. If you want to create videos fast, maybe you want to outcompete your competitors, you want to make 20, 30 videos a day, or maybe you don't have the time to create videos. I show you how to minimize that time creating videos and publish them on rapidvideomarketer.com. Well, as you've seen in this video, this is the program that I'm doing my videos. It's called Ecamm Live for Mac and it's absolutely fantastic. I can create videos so rapidly and I have pre-made a template, you can call it, so that follow every videos that I make, almost every videos that I make. And in that way I don't need to edit it. I can just record it live like this and then it's finished. I can upload it to YouTube. So I'll just show you quickly the scenes that I have pre-made, so that follows my script, if you say so. So I will just show you how Ecamm Live looks. And Ecamm Live is a live streaming software from the beginning, but I'm using it in record only mode, and you can choose that. I cannot show that to you right now, but you can choose it in the right corner. And but you see here I have a couple of scenes built up where you saw in the beginning. This is the intro scene that's supposed to create attention. This also is I use this as a thumbnail creator, or just copy the frames in the beginning to use as a thumbnail on YouTube, so I don't have to do that either. And then you see the intro. It's a video of me that I have bought, and then you see the intro text or intro scene where I talk a little bit about who I am, and you can also see my name as a lower third. Then I talk on the subject. I can show the screen, I can show myself, and I can run some videos if I want that, but basically I'm just talking and maybe showing something on my computer screen, and then I can go over to this computer screen like this and show what else is on my computer. And then I have this end screen, looks like this, where I finish up the video and ask for you to like it all this English, like it or subscribe to my channel and visit my rapidvideomarketer.com. And then I just have an outro slide. I can show you, you will see it in the end because that will mute my microphone. Also, I can show you this. I can show you in this little, I have this little stream deck here that have created shortcuts, so I can do it even more rapidly. Let's just wrap this up by clicking on the end. Now you see this end screen. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, if you want to learn even more how to create videos rapidly for creating lots of videos, or if you just want to minimize the time creating videos, go over to rapidvideomarketer.com. Until next time, have a good day.